Hello YouTube, this is Alarm Fan 8 today, and today we're just going to do an unboxing of one of Cole's latest new fans he bought, really.
Right,
I've had this one a couple of months really, but
right,
it's lived in the box, isn't it?
That's when I have it on.
Yeah.
That's when it's being opened.
It's a 12-inch box fan. Now he hasn't got any box fans like that at all in his collection of fans. So I think this one we bought at the start of the before it was getting warm, when they had plenty of supplies.
Yeah, and this.
I should imagine now, if you went to the shop, I think we bought this in the home base.
Yeah, home base.
It will not be in there anymore, or.
Just put those in there.
Right, put them away then.
Don't know.
So Cole's now going to get this one out of the box, just to show you what you get with it.
You get this.
These are slightly different to a normal oscillating fan. It still oscillates like a normal fan, but the actual fan doesn't move. It's the actual. This
Got
bit.
receipt.
Still got the receipt, yeah, just in case it blows up.
You can't buy it anymore.
Just this bit
There's
here spins
receipts.
around different ways. Yeah, we don't want to see that. Put all the receipts away.
Yeah.
So,
How much we bought this one for?
I can't remember. Like £20 or something, or less than that, maybe less. It's got it's got 3 speeds, and you've got a left and a right. You've got a stop,
That's how much it is.
move,
Yeah.
and then you've also got a timer on it as well.
Yeah.
So
It says how much on there.
$19.99.
19.99. That's
Yeah, that's at £20. That's not too bad for this one. Box fans are generally more expensive to buy
And this one's
than
pretty
the standard
nice
oscillating fans.
This one's pretty nice, and this.
It is quite a nice little fan actually.
It blows the air out.
When we did have the hot spell about a month or so ago,
Yeah, now I have a sunburn.
Come in quite handy.
I have a sunburn too.
So we'll put this one on
Okay.
just to demonstrate it. You can see it actually spins round.
Yeah, alternator off. Alternator on.
And you can actually make it spin the other way, can't you?
Well, you turn it off and you turn.
You can move the direction of the fan.
And then you keep it off and you just don't even know how to do it now.
Yeah, you twist it the other way.
How? Like this.
Well, on the other side. So it spins the other way. So you can have it spinning one way or the other, or you can fix it to actually just completely blow at your specific angle.
Oh.
They are more compact than
Look,
an
here's
oscillating fan.
2,
If you haven't got the room.
2. That's 2.
Right.
That's 1.
And then you got the timer as well.
That's all.
So if you wanted, just say it was hot when you were trying to go to sleep or something.
The cap comes off.
Yeah, don't take that apart, mate.
That cap comes off. You undo the screws to get into the base.
You've got a timer on it up to 2 hours.
Right. So about the base on this one. This light sign. The base are on the back.
Yeah, you got a 2-hour timer, so you can have it switching off. Just say you were trying to go to sleep, it was very hot, you didn't want it running the whole night. You could have it running
I'm not trying to time it.
for 2 hours, and then it should switch off, shouldn't it?
Yeah, it should. There, so does the base, so does the back. See the base at the back?
So what wattage fan is that then?
It says on the bottom.
Something like that.
What it says?
45 watts, so it's a fairly powerful fan.
Do you see the motor? You see the base at the back? Laundry stands, the base at the shunt. This one's got the base held up the back.
Ah, right. So that's the difference then.
That's the distance.
Yeah.
Look, and you look at the back, you turn it on to the base spinning.
Yeah.
Oh.
So the fan spins one way, but the actual, the front bit, mate, the grill is the thing that controls the direction of air, doesn't it?
Look, you see?
You're right.
You see this? It wobbles.
Yeah.
Is it
On
wobble?
the blade.
Yeah, the blade wobble.
It will be. It's plastic. So that's another fan from Cole's collection.
No.
We might be doing some more alarms coming up soon.
Well, I need to get an alarm control panel one. So that, you know that red one you got?
Ah, because I think the school where it goes to, they're getting new fire alarms, aren't they?
Yeah.
So I think they may not do it yet, but I think they said that Cole can have the old.
Right, over summer holiday.
Yeah, it's the summer holidays now.
That's why when I come back to school, I'm going to have some neighbour's silence.
Yeah, he might be given some old alarms.
Yeah, so like old sounders or like a control panel and stuff.
Well, I think you said there's another boy called Jamie who likes alarms in your school as well, doesn't he? So
even they'd watch this video.
So yeah, so hopefully we might get something out of him. But yeah, he would like to
make a control panel or something.
He would like a fire alarm control panel.
Yeah, what happened to give me a control panel and one subtector and one sounder.
Would be ideal, wouldn't it?
One in the big sounder, we've got a tiny one and a big one at school.
Yeah, so that's the update on the channel.
Yeah.
So what'd you say now,
I
Kyle?
think they're never getting a wide sheet on.
Yeah, I reckon that's what they're going to do.
Wind us one.
So what'd you say now?
It works everywhere.
I think as well with buildings and stuff like schools, they got if it's been up for so long, they've got to replace them every so often.
Yeah.
It's just mandatory.
Why, they replaced the burger in arm, they used to have a vent cough and they replaced it to a tub.
Ah, so they got a chub.
They used to have a vent cough. Like, when my arm went off, I saw a tub. And when I go up to the wall, up to the side way, I saw like what one of those, you know, the one that goes woo on the road.
Oh, right, yeah.
Vent coughed. It's one of those ones.
So, bye for now, and please subscribe to Alarm Fan 8, please.
So what's that now?
And the instructions as well. Yeah, so bye for now.